read your book to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Who's that, Emma? Who's that? Dad. And who's this one? Yeah. Who's that one? Yeah, Daddy. Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Good job. Kiss. Oh, so nice. Where is the fish? What's he say? Okay, let's... What do you want to say hi to Daddy? Can you say hi? Hi. Emma, wave to Daddy. Wave to... Hi. Can you give Daddy a kiss? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. And Emma, who's this one? Yeah, is that your favorite one? Oh, where's Emma? Where'd she go? I don't see her. Where's Emma? Ah, there she is. Where's Emma? Where'd she go? Ah, there she is. Can you, who's this one, Emma? Yeah. Okay, say bye, Daddy. Can you wave bye? Bye. Can you say bye, Daddy? Daddy?